Hey guys, so basically, this is probably one of the things I mess up on the most. So I have a belt sander here, and the problem is the belt's wandering a lot. And I've seen people say you can try to just, adjust the knob here. That kind of works, but realistically, if you can see here, in this particular situation, the problem is when I try to snap this back, it doesn't, it kind of locks, but if I put the belt on and then lock it, issue that I'm having is it doesn't really lock. So you kind of like, all of a sudden there's a little bit of play in that lever, and I don't know why that would be. As is my wont, I'm going to do something stupid. I'm going to try to take the damn thing apart and tighten the screw that holds this lever in place. Even though without the belt, it seems like I can actually snap it shut, but it's kind of still loose and doesn't quite feel right. So we'll see how that goes. I'm sure it'll go poorly. But let's see how you mess this one up. Despite all my thoughts that maybe I fixed something, it wasn't fixed. Belt's still wandering. So here I am doing what I do best, wasting more time. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Pop off the bottom plate here. I already removed the side cover here to have a look at the pulleys. My guess right now is that this front roller here, you can see, maybe you can't, but it has a little bit of, well, not a little bit, it's got a lot of waggle in it. We'll see how it goes. I'm not super hopeful because, like I said, I always screw things up one way or another. If I don't screw them up, when I finally get them figured out, I probably wasted, I don't know, a couple hours of my time minimum. That shouldn't have been wasted. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the time lapse because nobody wants to watch me sit around and remove screws and clean debris off of my sander. So what you just had the misfortune of witnessing is what typically happens to me when I'm trying to fix a problem. Took the whole darn thing apart, checked the pulleys. Nothing was off. The only weird thing are the rollers have a little bit of play in them, but there's no apparent way to fix that. So, yeah, I guess I'm pretty much where I started, which is a awesome feeling. After however much time I just spent bothering with that. But hey, that's life, right? What are you gonna do? Can't cry about it too much, I guess. So I'm going to give her another rip here and guarantee that I will fail again, but that's what I do best. So, anyways, if I get it figured out, I'll let you know. Hopefully, it works sometime in the future. Not hopeful. So I did eventually figure it out. I had to remove the front shaft from the front roller, and it had that wiggle. So I added a washer to prevent the wiggle, and that prevented much of the wandering of the belt. I probably could have ordered new parts, but I had washers, and that made the most sense. So I thought you guys might like to know.